60-second stories. Stay tuned to experience artifacts on the airwaves. This episode featuring the Manitoba Electrical Museum.
Over 10 years later. I wonder what the boys would say now that I just had my first real taste of victory. It seems like yesterday.
Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it's going to be Windsor as the winner of the day.
Hey, fellas, get a load of what Cliff's got. That's quite the trophy.
Sure does look like it, but it makes coffee. So they tell me.
Ooh-wee, quite the fancy contraption. One of them electric ones. What do you figure?
Well, I figure it'll look mighty nice on my shelf.
I'd ask you to invite us all over, but I like my coffee hot. Congratulations on the win anyway.
Cliff Windsor was presented with a Canadian Westinghouse coffee percolator in 1938 after winning the Manitoba 1-mile championship race at Polo Park Racetrack. It was fortunate that the coffee percolator looked like a trophy, as he couldn't use it until electricity came to his farm in the early 1950s. You can find this artifact at the Manitoba Electrical Museum in Winnipeg, Manitoba. This segment is brought to you by Canada's History. Thanks for tuning in.